Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Netflix screen limit problem. If you're experiencing a screen limit problem on Netflix where you're unable to stream on multiple screens simultaneously, you can try the following steps to fix it. First, you need to check your plan. Ensure that you subscribe to a Netflix plan that allows streaming on multiple screens simultaneously. And first you need to check your plan. Ensure that you're subscribed to a Netflix plan that allows streaming on multiple screens. Plans vary, with some allowing streaming on one screen at a time and other allowing multiple screens. You could also restart your device. If you're experiencing issue on a particular device, try restarting this. This can sometimes resolve connectivity or caching issues. Or you could also try checking for the updates. What you have to do is go to the Play Store, look out for these Netflix, and make sure that the Netflix app or the website is up to date. Updates can sometimes fix bugs or the issues related to streaming limits. And if none of the above steps work, reach out to the Netflix customer support for further assistance. They can help you troubleshoot the issue and ensure that your account is properly set up for multiple screen streaming. And this is it guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.